Tasha! Tasha! Tasha!
I am in pace. I am in sorrow.
Tasha!
I want the bell, opportunity.
Mama, I said I will send you the money when I get to the city. I'll send you the money. I'll transfer it to your account.
What about Tasha? Is she not going with you?
She's going with me. I'll pick her on the way. Eh? I'll talk to you on the phone, Mama.
Okay, Ngwanu, save Johnny. Welcome, Wayo. You go on now.
My own flesh and blood, you disappoint me, oh. My own sister, you have failed me. Opusonye ganga bakulun, opusonye ganga mata, opusonye ganga bakulun, opusonye ganga mata. We never give you peace.
Hey.
I can never give you.
Now you.
Me?
Now you. Now you. What be you?
Me for
No,
what?
are you not Emeka's friend? Are you not Emeka's friend?
I'm just...
I ask you a question. Are you not Emeka's friend? By the play.
Sorry.
Are you not Emeka's friend?
Yes.
Where is Emeka?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know.
Sorry,
If
please.
you don't provide Emeka,
Biko.
I will provide you in hell.
No.
Where is Emeka?
It hasn't gotten to that now. Take it, please, easy. I'm not fully fine, no.
He started play with you.
Hey, Biko, sorry.
Where is he? He's with my sister. Where is Emeka?
I have not seen him.
Where is Emeka?
Biko, I can see you. It's you. Biko.
Oh, you see?
It's you.
You are seeing well now. You are seeing well.
Yeah,
No,
yes.
you're not from Wamo.
That
You are
is-
seeing it. I'm very pissed. You are seeing it, right?
It is you.
Where's that dress? Where does Emeka stay in the city?
Please.
Stop!
Biko,
Where does he stay?
Hey, okay. Sorry, I will.
Yeah.
I will tell you. Please, I will tell you. I know. I will blow you now. Please, just take it easy. Please, I will tell you.
Sasha! Emeka! Sasha! 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 Come outside, Sasha! 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 Listen, what is this? What is your problem? Bring her to my sister! I know my sister is there. Tell Tasha that I am here for her. Bring out my sister, that daylight team of son, that useless son of yours. Bring them out.
Listen, what is your problem? Why are you looking for trouble where there is none? Ogini?
Mama, listen. I swear I am trying so hard to respect you. Because of your old age. I want to see Tasha and Emeka. Tasha! Tasha!
Mercy, you're looking for Tasha in my house. Is Tasha not your sister?
Mama, tell your son to bring out my sister. Tell your son to give me every single thing that he has taken from me. I need it now.
What did my son take from
A lot. He took my sister. Not just my sister, he took my sister's senses because my sister is no longer thinking very well. He took my properties, my money, my documents, everything I needed right now. Where is Emeka? Where is Tasha? Where are they?
Can you calm down? Mercy. My son did not take anything from you. If anybody took something from you, then it is your sister. It's your sister, not my son. Getting in a medal like this. Anyway, news flash. Emeka has come back to the city. So if you want to see them, go to the city and look for them because they don't live here. Here is my house.
Mama.
In Ania.
Mama, you are talking gibberish. Mama, if you're not rubbish. Arrant nonsense, Mama. I'm telling you the gospel truth. See, don't do that shit with me. Tell Tasha and Emeka to come outside here right now because I am not joking with them. Tell them I can see you're supporting you. You're an evil woman. Mama Emeka, you're an evil woman. But let me tell you something. If I do not get my money, I will pull down this house. I will pull down this house. Hey, Mama, tell them I'm not done. I am not done with them in this village. Tasha and Emeka, tell them I'm not done with you people. You, I got my eyes on you. Awake, you, Mama, if I don't put that this, I don't stop with me. If I don't put that this, I don't stop with me. I got all my hustle, all my money to buy a car. Who did I to get my money? We are got secrets for this village. Rubbish.
I dare you to come and do whatever you think you can do. Look at her.
My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow,
Oh God, I feel so useless. I feel so empty right now. It's as if I don't even exist. You know, what is use of life? I have lost everything. Everything is gone.
Mercy, it's okay. You need to calm down, okay?
Okay, relax. You are the best sister anyone could ask for. You think so?
I know so. Look, you are going to recover all your properties. I am very certain. You said you got their address from John, right?
Yes.
That's a good one. You will go to the city. Go there since that's where they are. They can't be eating your sweat. You go there and demand for your properties. They have to give them to you.
I am in pain. I am in sorrow. I want the bell, but you know the my own flesh and blood, you disappoint.
My dear, I have been in this town for some time now. Yet I do not know the crooks and the hooks of this town. I don't know how things, how you people do things in this town and all that. I've heard a whole lot about you. I've heard how you control all the Arab men, how you tell them what to do, how to tell them to sit down and they do it. Please, my girl, I beg. Now hustle, I come hustle. I come up party for my family. Be this kind of thing I come to. I beg, help me.
Babes, it's not as difficult as you think.
Eh?
Yes.
It's difficult to die. People tell me say that they control those men. They say that everybody say if you tell me say me they sit down, they go sit down. All these Arab men. They too get money, but they too stingy. The money no dey come out like that too. If they come here and say you from Niger, forget them. I beg, I beg you, help me. I beg you.
It's fine. Can't you see me? Look at me now, babes. Look at me. This was not how I was when I came down here to Dubai.
You feel
Well, in everything, I give God the glory. The way to success is sometimes narrow. Yeah.
Sister, I beg. Don't be this kind one. Which one be say those Arabian men? The person say me they can shop that shit. You dey shop them too?
No, I don't do
You
that.
dey add am Maggi, I been a sort before you chop them.
I don't.
Me, I no fit chop am. Hi, I no fit chop am. How person go take the shit I go dey chop am?
I don't do that. I only sell my body for money. You have to do it to get your money. Yes. You have to do it to get your money. If not, you will go back to Nigeria broke. Like, you will go back to Nigeria very broke.
I don't want to go back.
So you have to do it to get your money.
So you do chop shit too?
No.
You dey put up Maggie abi salt before you chop am? You just chop and run?
No, I don't do that one.
Hey!
I don't do that one. I only sell my body for money. So, as you will sell your body for money. So you make it, then go back to Nigeria and live a luxurious lifestyle. Don't you want to live a luxurious lifestyle? So you have to go make your money and go back to Nigeria. So how do you say it? Think about it though. Tasha. What happened to your face?
It's all too bad. It's those guys at the club.
But I warned you. I warned you never to steal. But you didn't listen. Those boys are so toxic.
Yes, but I had to make use of the only opportunity I saw.
Oh, God. Sorry. Sorry.
My heart is broken. My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow, pain and sorrow, pain and sorrow. Cry of a sister, who betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, who betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, who betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, who betrayed my trust. I am in pain.
Mama, it's okay. Can you please listen to me, Mama? Yes, just listen to me, okay? I don't like it when you sound this way. Okay, listen. Mercy will never find out where I stay in the city. Yes. Before then, Tasha and I must have traveled out. So you don't have to worry yourself about anything. Nobody knows. It's alright. I'll talk to you some other time, okay? Just relax your mind. Maka, high blood pressure. My darling.
Was that Mama?
Yes. That was Mama. Who else, if not Mercy? She called to tell me Mercy has left the village.
What if she finds us?
Hey, come on, babe. She will never find out where we stay. Besides, we are traveling out of the country soon, so you don't have to worry about anything. She has left the village. To where? I don't know, and I don't care. Because here, she will never know.
I will fight you. I will fight you. I can never let you go. I will fight
You want some?
I will never give you peace.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning. What is it?
Okay, there is one lady at the gate. She has been there since.
Who is she?
I don't know. I told her to leave. She refused.
Are you sure she's not a mad woman?
Okay. No, she doesn't look mad.
Open the gate.
How did you get this address?
Oh, you want to know how I got to this address?
Yes, how did
You
you
want to know? I'm coming back for you. Now get my luggage.
Okay, you go.
Where is my money? Sister, where is my money? Let me have my money. My money, my properties, my cars, everything I want it right now.
I used to have.
Where is it?
Just take it.
Let me have my money. Where is my car? The properties, the house, the money, all the pounds and dollars I sent to your dumb account. Where are they? Where the hell is my house? I'm not joking with you, dummy. But you're having confusion now. Trust me, honey, this time around you're going to have a cuckoo. A cuckoo is going to do you this time around. Where in the hell is my money? Where is my money? You're looking at your damn husband. Are you stupid? This is not time for your love beds. Where is my money?
Our house.
This is my house. Where's my car? My cars. I gave you money for 3 cars. Apart from the one that is supposed to be on the way by now, right? Making it 4. Where are the cars? The money, the documents.
They're still shipping it.
Oh, still shipping it. Is this my car? Is this my car? The cars! Where is the cars? I gave you money for 3 cars. Plus the extra we're making it 4. Why are you showing me 1?
They've not shipped it.
No, they've not shipped it. So you're going to ship it from heaven. And Jamaica will be the one to bring it out from the container. Alright? Give me my luggage. Listen, both of you, you've not seen the last of me. I am going to start with this house. And this car. This house will pin my money, my car, my properties, everything. I want them now. Give me my luggage. Bastardo.
My world is falling apart, falling apart.
Okay, so where do we go from here now?
I should be asking you that question. Listen, I am not going back to the village as a poor man. It is all your fault.
How is it my fault? Please don't blame me. I mean, how is it my fault?
You blew it all. Why did you tell her this is her house? You should have told her something else.
You shouldn't have insisted on going to the village. If you hadn't gone to the village, there's no way she would have found out our location.
How would I have known? It was a trick. We both went to the village. We both fell for it.
Emeka, please. Can we not just talk about this irrelevant thoughts? Let's think about the way forward. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Who is there?
You betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. I am in pain.
Oh, will you get your slimy self off my seat, you carcass from the pit of hell? Are you sick in the head? Are you listening to me, you won't? You have on and before tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, to vacate from this building. If you should be found in this building after tomorrow morning, whatever you see, you take honey. And yes, that reminds me, make sure you do not go without your jokey-pokey attitude. Your chef, your gateman, your animals, your housewife, every single thing that is connected to you should vacate this building first thing in the morning. Am I understood?
My own flesh and blood.
Now stink out. Get out! You're not even poor yet. You have to smell like a giggle. Get the hell out.
Honestly, Mama, I now live like a stranger in my own house. She's right here. Oh, okay, Mama. Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Anna.
What did she say?
She will be visiting Abba Lucia tomorrow.
Immerse.
Yes.
That's
That name sounds like a native doctor.
I guess so.
No, please, please. I do not want to get involved in this. No! This is my sister we're talking about. And by right, whatever my sister is requesting for are all hers. Yes. I don't want to do this. Please. I don't want to hurt my sister more than I have already hurt her. I don't want to. Please, let's weigh other options.
Hey.
We're not doing this. Please. She is my only sister.
Honey, this is the only way out.
No. There should be other subtle alternative.
There should be. Come up with an idea.
I can't come up with any now.
Which other option do you have?
This is certainly out of it. Please.
Change is constant. Be careful how you trust someone. Change is constant in life. Don't be surprised when someone you trust change. But I don't know how they feel when they hurt someone who truly care about them and sacrifice all for them. Oh, I don't know how they feel, but I don't know how they feel when they hurt someone who truly care about them and sacrifice all for them. Oh, I don't know how they feel. People we trust can one day change. Imana, people you trust can change one day. Heart of man is wicked. Person you help today can destroy you tomorrow. Heart of man is wicked. Person you help today can destroy you tomorrow. People you trust can one day change. People you give all your hope can one day disappoint you.
Namogini.
Mama, I'm not happy.
What is it? Eh? Ready for?
Mama, have I not been wasting my time in this village? At this age, there is nothing to show for it. See my mate in the city. Look at Chukwuebuka. Look at Ikenna. They all have mansions in the village. Cars parked everywhere. Look at me. Before I marry any man, Amanda Akanka, somebody will get old. And there is nothing to show for it, Mama. And you expect me to be happy? No, now.
Chukwuemeka, this was the exact thing I told you. I said, go to the city and start a responsible life. He said, no. Now, you have to go to that city. Go to that city so that those people speaking ill of you will start speaking good of you. So that your mates will give you your respect. Go to that city and make it. Go, if not for anything, for the sake of this family.
Yes, Mama.
You have to go.
I will go. I will go.
Make it.
Yes, because I believe God in heaven will also answer your prayers while I am there in the city hustling. Mama, all you have to do for me by the time I get to the city is to pray. Pray in the morning, pray in the afternoon, pray in the evening, in the night. I believe God will answer your prayers because
Yes.
you're a good woman.
Yes,
Yes.
I will pray for you.
And by the time I make it, Mama, I promise I will come back to this village. You see all these small mansions they are building everywhere. I am going to demolish this house and build you a skyscraper. I'm telling you.
Shadow, wait. You see this house? I like it. Don't demolish it. I like it, yeah. If you want to build a mansion, buy your land. Buy land and build your mansion. I like it.
Mama,
I
like you like old things. I said I'm going to demolish this house and I'll build a skyscraper.
Don't demolish it. Leave skyscraper when him GM. Buy land and build your mansion. Also,
Mama, you need to upgrade.
Don't worry, go to the city first.
Okay,
get
Mama.
to the city first.
No problem, Mama. No problem.
You can happen you to I like it.
Mama's mansion or skyscraper, they are all the same. Okay, fine. I'll build you a mansion. Just that by the time I get to the city, make sure you pray. Pray in the morning, pray in the afternoon, pray in the night.
That is my name, prayer.
Pray, shake everywhere. Let the heavens, let everywhere release my blessing. Mama, please hurry up. The bus will leave soon. I need to start going before I miss that bus now. I miss it, I'll get to where I'm going.
No fix.
John, what took you so long now? Where have you been?
I did with Abigail.
Hi! I talk am say the only woman fit make you come see your guy by this time. Say you go soon give that girl belle.
Obiakwa. Obiakwa. God, I beg, leave Bele, leave Abigail and the Bele. Waiting to happen. Waiting can they keep you? Why you stay?
Now, Mama, she wants to give me the whole food stuff in this house. When I get to Lagos now, she'll start calling me to send her money to buy food stuff. She don't know say she know the pocket.
But if you can't carry all the food stuff where they first give you, what thing she go come?
See now she will start calling me
Who says I will call you
to buy food stuff?
Enna? Who says I will call you to send money? See, my own is for you to go to that city and make it like your mates. Leave John and his useless friends alone. Biko.
Abba, Mama.
Abba, Mama, am I lying? See, you need to even go to that city so that you can be useful to yourself. Abba, Mama.
Mama, I have to go to John. Let me start going. Let me start going, Mama.
Manage it. Oh? Be yourself. Make it in that city. Make me proud. That city, you will make it.
You say, amen.
My prayer is going with you.
Amen, Mama.
Oh?
Mama, keep praying, let me start going. Continue praying.
Mama.
Amen. John,
Mama. Papa. Nọrọ na village na agbagharị. Tụbara so ụmụ nwaanyị ime. Nwee ihe ọzọ ịma. Emi ngwanụ Ijeọma nwa m. Eh? So this man refused to settle you after all these years. Ah, he's a very wicked man. It is okay. It is not the end of the road. Oh?
You see?
It's okay.
That is why I decided to return to the village. Because even a shelter became a problem.
Aye.
Yes. Mama, I couldn't feed myself. Not even 1 square meal or
Oh.
quarter square meal in a day.
Oh,
And do you know what this man usually do? He will count bundle of money in my presence, gives to his wife and to his side chicks. And this man could not settle me after the whole services I rendered to him in his shop. After my apprenticeship for that man, nothing to show for it. You see that man, I got 1 week. It shall not be well with that man.
Amen.
He's a wicked man. Wickedness runs in his blood.
Yes. It is. Hey. But now, it's okay. There's no problem. I have some money saved up all these years. Even the ones that we do in our monthly contribution. The one that when it gets to your turn, you will carry. I have it saved up. I will give you the money so that you go back and start a small business. No matter how small it is, but start something. Oh?
Mama, thank you so much. You see why I love you, Mama. After God, it is you. In fact, you are the God that I see. Thank you so much, Mama.
Now, if I don't do it for you, who will I do it for now? Eh?
Do I know?
You're my only blood now. How am I going somewhere?
Man, thank you so much.
It's all right.
You see that man, he's a wicked man.
Very wicked.
That man will die. In fact, bad people, evil people, wicked people, they will have to keep dying one by one. Let them keep dying and leave this earth.
I have seen you. I forgot go, but I go on and stop hiding like a chicken. Ibo coco. Ezo's no one for I forget.
Madam, make a 2 pure water, cold one, so 2 sachets.
Madam, leave the one I beg.
1.5 hours.
Why you can't hide now? Good name, man.
Who tells how they hide? I go collect water where I go drink. Hide from who?
And then I work for you. Me and you know that if I hadn't seen you here now, you wouldn't have told me that you're back. But I want to know Igbo 1 jeep, but now maybe preparing to erect 1 mansion in this village. Blow off or water can but you would have come to me, tell me one now, but I will name me and ask now go. Now what for you? Waiting they play.
Stop, Church. I was on my way to your house. I just went into that shop to get water to drink.
That's a lie. You just lied. If I hadn't seen you here now, you wouldn't have come to my house. Now what for you? Waiting to happen. Then, oh boy, now wow, one night you must shit though. This is no more the Amy I used to know. Pin up on all my bala. Now what for you? What's in the happen? Okay, we jail them all now. You know make come again. What's it?
Guy. A long story.
Bonnie and Kenken.
My oga mess up. That man refused to settle me.
After all these years, man, that man is a very wicked. Some people could be so wicked though. Come on now, that's very bad. Life is not really treating you well. You're not looking good, man. Your skin, these are shiny skin. But don't so bad, bro. What if I look
Not to worry. It's okay. Mama promised to give me her savings. Yes, the money she has been saving all this while. So that I will start up something doing, like a small shop, provisions and all that. When one door closes, another door opens.
Well, that's a good idea. Man, let me tell you, your mother is a very good woman. Only God knows how long she's been saving that little amount of money to keep it. As if she knew.
Okay, go Akawo. I'm
telling you the truth. At least you start off, just like you said. You must go, has their life and keep body and soul together. It's good. So you're back to this village now, like, to come and meet the Johnny John. For you, to start from where we stop. Everybody's buying Kusile. I will always give you
one park, Abiko. So you have not changed. You better change. As it is now, I will have to change my direction because I see you are no mass. How much in your pocket?
Can you go to get
Ego Lake Ijinaba.
Narap go that mom now. Don't worry.
Master,
Okay, let's go and chill.
Master.
Now my guy, you
Guy,
how for you?
chill.
Madam, I beg leave her.
Leave the pure water, they come back, eh?
Give me you, my boss. One.
My dear, I am telling you. You know what to say. You can never reap where you did not sow. Sisterhood, my foot. Oh, please. Those, I flinged them off my house. Yeah, so, you know your girlfriend. I'm allergic to bullshit. Yes? Since she said that she cannot leave she cannot leave her part of life on earth without Emeka, then let her wallow in death with Emeka. Yes. Let her die there. Let her die on top of Emeka. What nonsense? I suffered, made all the money, gave this girl. When you find the fine boy, if you find the name Jericho, let her go and suffer in the street. Yes. What sister are you talking about? Norma, I have to call you back, please. There's someone at the door. Yes, I'll call you back. Yes, who is there? Yes. Abang siang gene. Wokike. Hey! Inside. Come here.
I no understand wetin dey happen for this house again since that woman enter here.
Messi abi?
Eh? They call her Messi, just like that.
Wetin I wan call am before? Her name no be Messi. Na Messi na.
Na trouble dey put yourself like this. If that woman here say you call her Messi, you know add madam. Na sack she go sack you.
Sack fire. Na so they take sack person. Na she employ me. Abeg, talk better thing.
Abeg, my hand no full. Make I go bring your food come.
Like say na better thing she wan carry come. You go just see now she go carry small food come. Eh? Wetin dey even happen? See this woman enter this house. I no dey even fit chop well. I don machete. See my shirt, everything. See I don machete finish. See my belly wey dey big. Now e don flat like lizard. Abeg carry that food come.
Where is it, oh? Eh? Mercy! Please bring this food. What took you so long?
Sorry, man, I was trying to dish it out.
Oh yeah, come and serve it. Come and serve the water. You're waiting for me to remind you.
heart is broken.
Chako, Maka.
My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling.
What are you still waiting for? Hey, come back here. So what are you going to cook in the night?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Don't give me anything gas from. Please, I don't want to sleep in the toilet. And I'm here. Cook okra soup for me. That's what I want to eat. Eh? And get out and bring rag. And come and clean this table. Yeah, check on Maka.
It worked. Just like that.
Before I talk.
Look at Mercy the tigress. She's now doing yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Soon, she will be doing yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
One option. See, this house is your house. You and your wife. Enjoy your house. It's yours. If you mess it, no. Yes sir, yes ma'am. Tasha, you know rice. The rice start on. Come and join me. The trust of my leg. I give you my word. It has to work. What is that girl's name? Amaka! Amaka!
Ma?
Makara get the ever. Amaka.
Yes, ma'am.
You will go inside. Pack your bags and leave. We don't need your services anymore. Oh? We cannot have 2 cook and cleaners. So your services are no longer needed.
Ma, please, I'm sorry if I have wronged in any way. Please, ma, forgive me.
I didn't say you wronged me. I said your services are not needed anymore. We will compensate you.
Please, ma, if I have wronged in any way, please, ma, forgive me. I'm sorry, ma.
Amaka, did I say you wronged me?
No.
Don't worry, we will compensate you. See, I will give you money, you will start your own business. Or don't you want to do business?
I want to do business.
I will come and give you money, you will start doing business. So just go and pack your things. When I finish eating and come out, I will settle you so you can go. Oh?
Thank you very much, ma. Ma, thank you.
Only.
Thank you, ma.
Pasha, this rice is very sweet too. And it's nutritious because it's vegetable. You love it. Come and eat. Oh? Come and join me. Do you want to eat?
Mama, eat.
Hey.
Mercy! Mercy! Wait. Mercy! Will it take you forever to answer your name?
No, sorry, sir.
Huh?
I was washing at the backyard.
You were washing what? For how many hours? Now you listen to me. The next time you take time to answer your name, I will burn you alive and feed your carcass to the canker worms. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Nonsense.
Sorry, sir.
Next time when I call you, before I say me, you say what? Sir.
Sir.
Me.
Sir.
Me.
Sir.
Rubbish. Now I want you to wash this car properly.
Guys, neat.
Are you mad? Are you the one to tell me what is neat or not?
No, sir.
I said wash this car properly. What did I say?
Wash the car properly.
Good. Now get out. Go get whatever you used to wash it properly. Come back here. Come back here. What did I tell you to do?
I should wash the car.
I should what?
Wash the car.
Good. Properly. Put properly.
Properly.
Good. Now you go get what you used to wash it. Come back here. I have not asked you to go yet. Turn around. Turn again. Keep turning. Keep turning. Turn. Turn. Okay, good. Now, about turn. Go and get the bucket you used to wash it.
Okay.
Hurry up!
Okay, sir.
The rice tastes nice.
Honestly. I hope you like it.
I like it. People should eat and enjoy. Don't mind those people that want to reap where they did not sow. Greedy people.
That's my mommy.
Mercy! I need service. Be fast about it, please.
I wonder why she didn't do very well.
Sister Mercy! Why are you coming close to me without a sir? Where is the napkin? Where is it?
Sister, please, I am very hungry. Can you help me with anything to eat? And there's no other reserve in the pot.
Oh my goodness. You're hungry. How is that my business? Why on earth would you even make me to stress while eating? Don't you know table manner? You're not supposed to talk while eating. Have you not traveled out? You should be civilized by now. Nah. Don't disturb me, Sister Mercy. Oh! Can you just allow me eat? Pray there will be leftovers. And allow me eat. Because you cooked now, you will not even allow the food digest. Pray there is leftovers and they'll get me serve it. But I'm not sorry. This food you cook now, you're not even allowed somebody to eat it and have peace. Tell me you're hungry.
My friend, hurry up.
Ochako, Maka.
This was very difficult.
Very good. See why we don't need it.
I'll pour you this drink. Is
See why I told you, you don't need to pay anybody. Again. She should be doing the cooking.
job made easy. Yeah, I've always known sister can cook very well.
Mama?
Son, you're here.
Yes. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Obviously, you are enjoying yourself.
Yes, so I'm in my son's house, so I have no option than to enjoy myself.
Good to know. Mama, you still haven't told me how you did it.
Did what?
Mercy now. How did you?
Oh, that.
Mama, do you know what you did? Like, you practically shot this girl up.
Okay, I will tell you.
You cannot kill her.
Why? Awalusia, why? This girl is taking away everything from my son. Please, Awalusia, we have to do something, Biko. Please.
The mystery behind the death is hidden. But we will do something. You have to be the one to do it.
Abalusia, I am ready to do anything just to make my son happy.
Are you sure?
Why am I here if I am not sure? I am ready.
She have a strong spirit, but we shall conquer her. Makani yadi rioba. Follow me. Ikwi onebe na nkiti. Ikwi onebe na nkiti. Na si na John nunu nebe na abali igbo nnukwute amusu. Atu aja fu yude di mani pe mere no bi ndi mo. Nanya fula kude na fuga wolo ndi mo.
So that was how it happened.
Agonwai. This was why my late father never joked with you.
Adam eti mwa na akwaka. Yes, ma'am. Son, you have to thank Ogamaka, my friend. She was the one that directed me to Abalosiadiki's place. That man is very powerful. Hey! Let me see how Mercy will rise up again and look for properties. Right now, she is under our palm. We can toss her like Tontombo. Toss her anyhow we like.
Mama, you have done well.
If I don't do it for you, who will?
I wonder. But still, I need to show some gratitude. Let me get in there and get my briefcase full of dollars. Bet you spray you some dollars.
Hey!
Eh?
Gatabiche! Hey! Gatabiche!
I am in peace. I am in sorrow.
Anya ma agugo kwa.
Please, give me food. I am very hungry. My eyes turning. Please.
Food, Ukwa? No be you dish food for me this morning. Why can't they ask me food? I no get food for here. You see am now? That time you dey do, you see say things no go turn around. You don't see am, things don't turn around now. You don't see am. Now you know they beg food. I no get food. Oh, unless you want this one. Man, I just want am for you now. You don't understand? You go enjoy am more. No put on am now. You no go come collect am.
I will fight you. I will fight you. I can never let you go. I will fight you. I will never give you peace.
Go die here.
My heart is broken. My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow are taking over me. Pain and sorrow, cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow are taking over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. I am in peace. I am in sorrow. I want the bell. I'm a junugi. I really know I'm a junugi. My own flesh and blood, you disappoint me, oh. My own wasted. You have failed me. Abusonye ganga bakulunu. Abusonye ganga maka. Abusonye ganga bakulunu. Abusonye ganga maka. We never give you peace. I can never give you peace. I will fight you. I will fight you. I can never let you go. I will fight. We never give you peace.
I will miss you people too. Eh? But you see where I say give me a grandchild. If you give me a grandchild and I come for Mugo, I will stay for a very long time so that when I leave, you will not miss me.
But Mama, you should be able to stay for a long time with or without grandchildren. I mean, this is your house.
I know, yes. But you see, as the deputy vice chairman of our village women's meeting, I have to be at the meeting. We have meeting next week and someone important is coming. So I have to be there.
But
play
Mama,
my
you
part.
can delegate one of your friends, like Ogo Amaka, to represent you.
Not in this type of meeting, Nna. I have to be present. Onye na no ron kiefu. That's why I said, give me grandchildren so that they will be playing in this big compound.
Don't worry, Mama.
And keep you company.
I promise we are going to give it to you double.
Omakakwa like that. Lest I forget. About Mercy, your sister. Please, Emeka Nwambiko. Nothing in this life will make you people send her out of this house. That was the instruction. You not send her out of this house. No matter what she does, she has to stay inside this house.
Okay, Mama.
So let me be going. Nemo. Mama. Emi,
Mama.
take care of your wife.
I will. It's my duty.
Let me be going. I still need grandchildren, like I said.
Okay, Mama.
Hi, cheer lady.
Let's go.
Come. Sister, I am calling. Can you just walk fast? Where in the name of God are you coming from? By this time.
Sorry, please. I went to beg for food.
You went to what? Why did you shut up? Oh my goodness. You went to beg for food. You know you are such an ingrate, Sister Mercy. So, this is how you want to paint us black. You know, you want to spoil our name. So when people see you outside begging for food and they'll be like, oh, Tasha is so wicked. Why didn't she give her elder sister food to eat? Is that how much you hate me? How much you hate my family? Our family?
Honey, stop stressing yourself, okay?
Let this never repeat itself next time.
I was just...
Just save it.
We stop defending yourself. Now go in there and clean the whole house. Most especially my room. Sweep and mop. Get out!
I said move!
Must you be lazy at everything? Oh, Sago, can we for Sago kid the laka like this? Opposite appendix.
Hey, hurry up with the room. Clean the room first. That would be very important.
Go to the room already? Oh my
You sold all of them?
Yes.
Wow. But the one is not complete now.
Mama, no first I carry 300 buy something make a chop.
You carry 300 out of my money to buy something make you shop.
Mama say so too much.
My money?
So too much. It too
well, there's no big talk inside. Wait till I forgive you for year, now 500. But as you don't chop 300 inside, take 200 naira, make you dey go. There's no need, just go here. Ma, you ate it, you that ate the money, just go, leave my shop. Thank you.
This one no go fit do me even for transport.
My bucket, give me my bucket.
I beg now.
Give me.
200 naira will not be enough for me to even use and go back. No. Mama, beg no vex. I dey beg you, please. Na beg I dey beg.
Don't manage that way. You don't chop 300 naira. They go.
My world is falling apart. Pain and sorrow are taking over me. Pain and sorrow, cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow are taking over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. I am in pain.
What? Where? Oh my goodness.
Babe,
Hello?
what is it?
Oh my goodness.
Who called you?
Sister.
Who called you?
Someone just called. He said Mercy was hit down by a speeding car.
What? How? Where?
My sister.
Call the number back.
My sister is dead.
Jesus. Mercy, dead. Call the number back. Call the number back. Let's find out the location. Tasha. Dial the number. Open your phone. Babe, come. Come. Call this number back. Let's know the location.
I killed my sister because of my greed. I neglected my sister. Treated her with so much bitterness and hatred. I let my marriage take the best part of me. Now, how am I going to apologize to my sister? How do I let her know or see how sorry that I am? I killed my sister. I killed my sister. How can I be so mean? I killed my sister. I feel so terrible. I caused all this. I caused all this.
We should be grateful to the universe for taking Mercy out of the way. Stop crying. You did not kill her. Nature did. All right? It's okay. It's all right.
Oh God, I killed my sister. I killed my sister. I am so sorry.
Stop
Sister Mercy, I am so sorry.
Stop it.
Emeka, leave me alone.
Hey. We're in it together, okay? It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
Sister Mercy, please. Please. Wherever you are, I am sorry. I am so sorry, Sister Mercy. I am so sorry.
My own flesh and blood, you disappoint me, oh, my own sister.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Babe, what is it? What is it? What's the problem? Why are you screaming? So, sit down. I'm here. You saw what? Huh? Babe, you saw what? You're beginning to. What is it?
I will fight you. I can never let you go. I will fight you. I will never give you peace. I will fight you.
Please, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry, please, ah!
So you have the mind to kill my only son. Oh, you were never happy with him? No. Because he took your sister's property?
No, Mama. Please, I beg you. I did not kill him. I love him so much. I can never think of something like that, Mama. Please. The properties I took from my sister, I shared with your son. I shared everything with you people.
Just leave here. I don't want to beat you.
Mama.
I don't want to have any blood on my hands. Leave here.
Good. What are we still waiting for? Let's throw her out once and for all.
Donatus! Donatus, come here. Throw this thing outside. Yes. Wow. I don't want to see anything that looks like her around here. Oh yeah, out. Now she get her. Carry her. Out. Get out of here. Mama, I'm not your mother. I'm not your mother. Donatus, throw her out. Mama, yeah. Donatus, take her.
I go carry you. I go jack you.
Mama,
throw her out.
Mama, please. This is my sister's house. Mama, before. Mama,
are you still there? Are you still there?
See, if I press up, if I do press up, finish. Person
don't
die.
Make me come close to you. I don't want to be like that. So it's better you.
I go carry you.
Get out! I will send your remaining things. Don't worry. I will go that way.
Mama, Mama.
You don't come on.
Let me come and see who will come and drag this house with me. Now I am rich. I will enjoy the splendor and opulence of this house.
I'm very happy for you.
Okay?
I'll come back again.
You want this one? I'm a rich woman now.
Yes!
Are you a friend of a rich woman?
A friend. Again, what is it? What is it? Hey! What is it?
Huh? What is it? Time. Time, Ego.
I said time.
Ego, the time. Time.
What do you mean by time?
Time. 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 Time.
What is
time.
happening?
Time. 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 Time.
Ego.
Time. 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 Time.
My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart.
I beg you, forgive me. Sister, Sister, please forgive me. Forgive me, forgive me, forgive me. Sister, please. Please, I beg you, forgive me. I beg you, forgive me, Nico.
I am in sorrow. I want the bell. I'm a junior. I remember now. I'm a junior. My own flesh and blood, you disappoint me, oh. My own sister, you have failed me. Opusonye kanga makulunu, opusonye kanga maka, opusonye kanga makulunu, opusonye kanga maka. We never give you peace. I can never give you peace. I will fight you. I will fight you. I can never let you go. I will fight you. I will never give you peace. I will fight.